So filers need to first register in order to use TurboCourt, and registration is very fast and easy. Only a name and email address are required. And to register, the filer will simply click the register link, and this brings up the registration process. There are two kinds of TurboCourt notifications. One is an internal notification that is always on. This means the filer can log into TurboCourt anytime from anywhere and check to see what notifications they've received regarding any of their electronic filing. The other type of notification is email notification, and this is optional. So this next area is where the user indicates what default setting they want to choose with regards to email notification. And there are three choices. The first choice is to receive email notification, but with only a link to TurboCourt with no details about the filing in the email itself. Now, the second choice for email notification is to receive that email notification with a link to TurboCourt, just as in the previous choice, but to include details about their filing. The third choice is to indicate that they don't want to receive emails at all, in which case they'll just log in regularly to TurboCourt to check on the status of their filing. And as you can see with this important note just below here, even if the filer does choose to receive email notification, we explain that because email delivery can never be guaranteed, they must still log into TurboCourt regularly to check the status of their filing. The next selection is for the filer to indicate which type of user they want to register as, and there are currently 5 choices. If they click on the link, which user type should I select, the window comes up and describes each of the user types that they can read and then use that to help them make the proper choice. And say that I need to register as a business, so I go through the same process, and the only thing that's different here is that I now have an additional field, a business name field, which is required. If I were to register as an attorney or law firm, have a similar process, but now it's a law firm name that's required. There's also an optional attorney state bar number field, so you can see no asterisk, so that's optional. But if they do fill this in, then the corresponding state field does become required. That goes along with what state their bar number is for, and then they proceed accordingly. And if I were to select either of the government agency user types, I follow a similar process. So that's how the user registers with TurboCourt. It's quite simple.